Most people compare Brigit and Empower like they are the same thing. That's where the confusion starts. Here's the truth no one tells you. These two apps may both offer cash advances, but the way they decide your eligibility, limits, and features is completely different. In this video you'll get a clear 2026 full comparison of Brigit versus Empower, so you can decide which one actually fits your financial situation. Let's start with Brigit. Brigit is a cash advance app that focuses heavily on helping users avoid overdraft fees. It typically offers small, predictable cash advances for eligible users and includes budgeting tools to help track spending. For example, Alex uses Brigit when his account balance drops too low before payday. The app steps in with a small advance so he avoids a bank overdraft fee. Now let's look at Empower. Empower is more of a financial tracking and budgeting app with cash advance features added in. It analyzes your income, spending habits, and account activity to determine whether you qualify for advances and how much you can get. Jake uses Empower because it gives him deeper insights into his spending patterns, not just cash advances when he is short on money. But here's the problem. This is where most people get it wrong. They assume both apps guarantee instant cash whenever you want. That is not true. Both Brigit and Empower require you to meet certain financial criteria before offering any advance. Now here's where it gets interesting. Brigit is more structured. It focuses on predictable advances and helping you avoid overdrafts with clear eligibility rules. It is simple and straightforward, which is why many users find it easier to understand. Empower is more flexible, but also more data-driven. It looks at your financial behavior in detail and may adjust your advance access based on changes in your income or spending patterns. In a minute, I'll break down which app is better for emergencies. Let's talk about cash advance differences. Brigit usually offers smaller, more consistent advances designed to cover short gaps before payday. It is built for stability and emergency prevention. Empower may offer varying advance amounts depending on your financial profile, which can change over time as your income or spending habits change. But here's something important. Neither app is meant to replace a traditional bank account or long-term credit solution. They are designed only for short-term financial gaps, not large expenses or ongoing debt. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you want a simple, predictable app that helps you avoid overdrafts, Brigit may be a better fit. If you want more detailed financial insights and a flexible system that adapts to your behavior, Empower may be the stronger option. So which one wins in 2026? There is no universal winner. Brigit wins for simplicity and predictable support. Empower wins for deeper financial tracking and adaptive features. The right choice depends on whether you value structure or flexibility. The key takeaway is simple. Brigit helps you stay safe from overdrafts. Empower helps you understand your money better. Both are useful, but for different financial styles. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.